Hello friends, welcome to my channel. The purpose of this video I am making to share some knowledge regarding Informix DBA. I think most of the people are struggling to acquire the knowledge in Informix, so that's the reason to make this video to help you for Informix DBA. This is my first video, and next 4-5 video I will upload for you, cover all the DBA activity, practically practical steps as well as some theoretically. I will share you the knowledge regarding Informix DBA. Okay, let's start. So this is the agenda. So introduction section, then Informix, the scalable databases, Informix architecture in the instance level, Informix architecture in the storage allocation, Informix architecture in the process level, then question and answer sections. And to next slide, thus this is a little about me. I have 11 plus years IT experience in the DBA. So my role is now database architecture. Currently I am working on one of the top MNCs IT companies. So my specialize is Oracle DBA, MS SQL, IBM Informix, MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle Exadata, performance tuning, Unix, Linux, and shell scripting. And the cloud, I have knowledge in AWS, Azure, GCP, and OCI. Okay, let's start. What is introduction about the Informix? What is IBM Informix? This is one of the most customer satisfaction database, a relational DBMS initially developed by Informix and high volume OLTP. IBM bought Informix in 2001, then continuous start the development. Then IBM delegated active development and support to HCL in 2000 from 2017. So little history over here. Informix developed using the C language, C ISM, then Informix SC, then Informix Online 5.x, then started the IDS, Informix Dynamic Server 7.x, then 9.4, then 10, 11, 11.5, 11.7, 12.10, now 14.10 already released in the last year. So this is the history, you know, from 9 to the journey from 9.4 to 12.1, and I did not mention over here 14.1 also. So many things, enhanced of the, if you compare to from 9.4, there's so many things enhanced, next version level. So IBM 10 also some new features, 11 1.0 also some new features, 11.5 also some new features, and 11.7 also have some new features, and 12.1, and now 14.1 have so many new features in these databases. So if you go for the Informix architecture in the instance level, first we need to download the softwares. Okay, if you extract the product, then install the product. Once install, then you need to initialize the instances, let's say server instance 1, server instance 2, and server instance 3, like that. The one instance have some multiple databases also, db1, db2, db 3, like that. This is you can say Informix server architecture is high level architecture, you can say this structure. So if you go for the Informix architecture in the storage allocation, this is the whole as instance. What is instance? An instance is a database, is a combination of the program and memory used to access the metadata and application data stored in the physical files on the server. So an instance have one or more DB spaces. One DB space have one or more chunks, and one chunk have some multiple pages. If you compare to the Oracle and other databases, chunk is the physical storage, and page you can say the data block, and DB space you can say, Oracle have table space as a logical storage. Here is the DB space. One DB space can have multiple chunks. Actual data store in the Oracle is the data where it is in the data block. So here actual data store in the page level. So this is the way the storage allocation in the Informix databases. Let's come to the Informix architecture in the process level. So same, the client process and the server process over there. Once start the initialize the instances, then so many process will be started. Let's say CPU, IO, ADM, crypto, Java, custom, VPS, like that. This is all our virtual processes there. And the main memory structure over here is the shared memory structure over here. The shared memory have three types, the three segments over there. One is the resident shared memory, and the second one is the virtual shared memory, third one the message shared memory. This is the finally it's connect to the DB space, user DB space, and default root DB space also. You are connecting to the DB space and store the data. Okay. Next, you can go with the, so what is the shared memories over here. An instance can be defined as a connection to the shared memory. The shared memory, a place where process or threads are shared the data. As I said, the three memory segments. One is the resident portion, which one is the static one. Another one is the virtual portion, which one is the dynamic one, and third one is the message portion, which one is the static one. What are the components available in the resident portion? Is the buffers, log buffer, physical buffer, buffer pool. In the virtual portion, user session data, SQL cache, data dictionary, sort or big IO operation, in SSM total configuration parameters. And the third one is the message portion. What are the components available in the message portion? This is the message buffer for shared memory communication. We are using that for the shared memory communication for message portion. Okay. So next, this is the on init process, how we are going from offline to make the database in the online mode, and again we are going to shut down and online to offline mode. This is the major two commands over here, on init command and on mode command. I will clarify you all the details on init, how on init work, and how on mode command work in the next videos. So I have covered all this architecture level. So now this is the questions and answer sections. So please comment on the below what are the question you are thinking. So I will try to answer all the questions to you guys. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe so that I can upload more videos. You can get the notifications, you can see and acquire the knowledge regarding the Informix DBA. Okay, thank you very much.